Let's try to come up with a combo. We have Maya. We have snake arms. And we have walking undulation. And we have head slide. You want to accentuate one move at a time. And to do that, let's see. So Maya is nice by itself. And then snake arms. These two moves are very similar in form, so I want to separate them. The walking undulation, so if we do Maya, and then walking, 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 and then head slide. That's the end. The head slide, for me, works better when there's music. In a nutshell, what we have is we have the Maya, and then we walk this way, plant ourselves, and then we have another Maya, and then we walk the other way, and plant ourselves, another Maya, snake arms, yeah, snake arms, Maya, snake arms, Maya, and then there's another change in the music, so we step out, head slide, step out, head slide. Again, Maya, walk, 2, 3, 4, another Maya, walk, 2, 3, 4, another Maya, snake arms, Maya, snake arms, Maya, and then we step out, head slide, step out, head slide. Perfect. Let's go over the heels version without music. I'm ready. So we have Mayas. 1, 2, 3, I think 8. 8 Mayas. And then we walk undulation. 2, 3, 4. And then inward hips. This is kind of like the proper Maya is going up and then in, but this one goes like that, so it's kind of like a hip sway. Let's do the hip sway. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we undulate to the other side, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we step with the snake arms, Maya, and you can go as low as you want. Let's do 1, 2, 4, another snake arms, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we step, 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 and back, 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 and back. So that's the dance routine.